Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. Getting started with our Paracord Planet news, we had 4 new YouTube videos come out since our last wrap-up. We had a few bracelet tutorials, a microcord bracelet and a macrame bracelet, as well as a Paracord buddy tutorial. So if you need to make a new friend, now you can make it out of paracord. Moving on, we also had 2 new blog posts come out since our last wrap-up. One on glow-in-the-dark and neon cord. You can use UV light to make neon cord look really cool. So if you want some tips on that, make sure to go read that blog. We also had a blog post come out talking about the popularity of paracord bracelets. So if you're into paracord bracelets, you might be into that blog. Next, looking at our paracord community, we have a paracord highlight for this wrap-up. Twitter user Kalini Ace posted a picture of a backpack made out of paracord that they created to bring a package back to Target to return. They laced up a box with some paracord, threw it on their back, and biked it over to Target. We loved the innovation and think you'll love the pictures. So now, what we wrapped. This air freshener of tropical scents. We felt it fit our whole theme here. I got a hat, I got a shirt. And now it smells tropical. You guys can't smell that where you're at, but it smells really tropical in here. And speaking of tropical, this paracord is called tropical. So it all wraps into the theme. Yeah. And now, for what we're gonna wrap next time. I got all this foam nonsense, and I'm gonna make nonsense out of it. So if you want to find out what that ends up being, make sure to check it out next time. We'll see you then. So if you need to make a new friend, now you can make it out of paracord. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's good. Moving on, if you are into that, you might want to give that blog a read. I'm going to use one of the first 2 takes for this because I've already bombed it. So, cheers. Welcome to vacation. Really, that's the thing.
We're here to relax.
I'm relaxing. This is a relaxing wrap up.